Here are a few different solutions to fix OBS microphone not working. So the first solution is check audio settings in OBS Studio. So go to your OBS Studio and open settings, then select audio. Under global audio devices, here click on mic auxiliary audio and select your microphone in this list. If you don't see your microphone showing in here, then unplug your microphone and replug your microphone with your PC. Then you should see the microphone option here. Select your microphone. If you still don't see your microphone in this list, then you can just restart your computer, then relaunch OBS Studio, come to these settings again, and now you should see the microphone. So select your microphone from here and click on apply and OK. And now come to this audio mixer section. Here you will find your mic. If you see this mic level is moving when you talk on your mic, it means your mic is working perfectly. So make sure this mic volume is not muted. So unmute microphone from here and increase this microphone level all the way to the up. Select 0.0 dB. Now you can just go ahead and check the microphone is working or not. Now let's see the second method. Go to your computer settings. In settings, you have to select system settings and then select sound. Under sound settings, come to this input section. And under input device here, you find your current microphone. So now just click on your microphone and here you can just increase your microphone volume. So must unmute your microphone in here and increase your microphone volume from here. And the next solution is update your microphone driver. To do it, you need to open Device Manager. In Device Manager, open Audio and Inputs Outputs. And here, right click on your microphone and click on Update Driver. And here, choose any option to update your driver. I'm selecting Browse my computer for drivers. And here, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And select your microphone, click on next and go ahead and update your microphone driver. After updating your driver, go to your OBS Studio and come to this audio mixer section and check your microphone working or not. And if you're still having the same error, in this case you can actually check your microphone. To do it, just open the audio record or sound recorder app on your computer and click this start record button, and now go ahead and try to record something. If you see this wave, it means your microphone working perfectly on your PC. And then go back to your OBS Studio, and if you see your microphone is not working only in OBS Studio, in this case you just need to uninstall your OBS Studio completely and reinstall OBS Studio, and that should fix your microphone problem. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.